here at the Chicago Auto Show where the 2018 Dodge Durango has earned its stripes with new aggressive performance styling features and accessories through Mopar. Some of the new features include dual center stripes, carbon fiber interior trim bezels, and accessories through Mopar such as catback exhaust and lowering springs. The new dual center stripes are available in 5 different colors and add a sinister custom look straight from the factory on the Dodge Durango RT and SRT models. Enhanced SRT Interior Appearance Group brings authentic carbon fiber upgrades to the Durango's SRT cabin. New Mopar performance exhaust systems improve flow and add an unmistakable note. Available on both the Durango RT and SRT models. And finally, adding to fastest SUV in its class, a new Mopar performance lowering spring kit which delivers improved handling and lower stance. Performance enthusiasts looking for a 3-row SUV with a factory custom look need to look no further than the 2018 Dodge Durango.